Welcome to this guided meditation on living the life of your dreams. Please find a comfortable position, close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you relax, allow your mind to open up to the power of imagination. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth, repeating this 2 more times. This will help you relax and shift your focus from everyday thoughts to meditation. Now, start breathing deeply into your belly, as it is one of the best grounding techniques. Inhale and exhale through your nose. In the beginning, you can count your breath, as it will help you focus and detach from your thoughts more quickly. While you breathe, take a moment to ponder the concept of imagination. Imagination is a unique human ability that allows us to transcend our current environment and explore the realm of possibilities. Take a moment to appreciate the wonders of your imagination, for it holds the key to unlocking the life you have always dreamed of. Remember the words of Albert Einstein, who famously said that imagination is the soil that brings dreams to life. Embrace the truth in these words, understanding that your dreams are not bound by the constraints of reality. Your imagination is the fertile ground where your dreams can take root and flourish. Now, try to imagine yourself in a serene, natural setting, walking through fields of green grass and colorful flowers. The fields are surrounded by majestic white-capped mountains with a stream on your left. You can hear the soothing sound of water flowing and the songs of birds. As you walk, gently touch the grass and flowers with your fingertips. Try to make this image as vivid as possible, feeling the warmth of the sun, the gentle touch of the breeze, and the softness of the flower petals on your fingertips. It is important to try and feel this experience as if it were real. It may be challenging at first, but with practice you will improve. Now imagine that in front of you there is a passage or door. As you pass through this entrance, you will enter a parallel reality where you are living the life of your dreams. Imagine every detail vividly: where you live, your dream job, your partner, children, friends, and home. Be as specific as you can, feeling, hearing, smelling, and touching the elements of this dream life. This is why the initial part of this meditation, visualization, is so crucial. Take a few minutes to immerse yourself in this visualization. Take a moment to express gratitude for the gift of imagination. Appreciate its power and its ability to guide you towards the life you desire. Understand that within your imagination lie the seeds of creation, waiting to be nurtured by your intentions, beliefs, and actions. Now, Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry the vision of your dream life with you, knowing that it is within your reach. Embrace the journey ahead, for it's through the power of your imagination that you will manifest your dreams into reality. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the energy of your dream life into this physical realm. Take inspired actions towards the life of your dreams, knowing that you have the power to create a reality that surpasses your wildest imagination. May your journey be filled with joy, fulfillment, and endless possibilities.